What's going on? First work day in November where it's like 39 degrees. Today we're gonna be working on quite a bit of stuff. I got a big ass list of cars I need to knock out really before Thanksgiving. And I know one's an Infiniti, a Chevy Impala, a Pathfinder. I gotta work on, what else I gotta work on? A Hyundai Sonata 2011. I have to work on a, what else? All right, first repair. We're replacing the driver's side blend door actuator on this Impala. What you gotta do is remove this panel from the bottom, and it's gonna be located, right. I think this the one. Fucking cold. All right, let's try these. This the one. This the one. All right, I got it out. Not gonna lie, it's a little difficult, but what you can do is hop on that passenger side and reach over. That way you're not upside down on the floor. Right up in there.